Hey everyone, this is Kevin Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for joining me here on my media channel as we unbox Inside Out 2 on 4K disc. Now, I think this is an Amazon exclusive. In fact, I think the only way you can get this in 4K is if you get one of these limited edition retailer exclusive discs from Target, Amazon, things like that. I'm not going to lie, I do not like this cover. I understand the whole concept art thing. I get it, but this does not really represent the movie very well. It seems like the characters are just kind of plastered in random places. I mean, like, look at this. This is a mess. Like, you know, the emo guy is like just tilted over and it looks like his hair is on fire, and then Panic is stuck in the middle there for some reason. I don't know. I don't like this one very much. Like how it says Inside Out 2 on the front. Now on the back you get a little bit of a better representation of what the characters look like and everything. I do cry a little when I look at these special features, like there's 3. I mean, I'm sure there's more. I haven't watched the disc, obviously, but boy, Pixar used to have so many special features, like, you know, a whole disc of hours upon hours of great footage and behind the scenes stuff. It was like going to film class. And now, not much. You get a little promotional thing for the new emotions. You look at something that explores the inspiration for Riley's repressed memories, whatever, and some deleted scenes. I mean, nothing bad, but nothing truly memorable either. So let's look at what the set itself looks like. And also, I guess I should also mention, this is the first physical media that I got from Disney that does not have the Disney Movie Insiders thing. They, of course, have shuttered that. So no more collecting points or anything like that. Disappointing. Okay, so this is what's on the back of the Steelbook. I like this a little bit more. This, I think, is a much better representation of what the movie is about. Still not 100% going to give you an idea what you're watching if you don't already know. Although it could be argued it's Inside Out. I mean, what's there not to know? But I do like this a little bit better than this. So, okay, let's take this out, and I'm going to take, don't bother with the code, I'm going to redeem it. So, here's the 4K. I like the pink sphere, and that's the Blu-ray. It's interesting how neither of them have the actual emotions. It's just Riley. And then the inside image, yeah, that's not bad. I like that. That's a pretty good picture. Not gonna lie, I could definitely look at that. Is it great? Probably not great, but it's pretty darn good. And so this is an interesting release because this is also the first time I noticed a little bit of a difference in how Disney is selling their movies. You know, I used to see Disney commercials and they're like, buy the movie on Blu-ray and DVD and on digital platforms. And now the commercials say stream Inside Out 2 on Disney Plus. They're not even trying to encourage you to go to the option where you pay more money. They're trying to encourage you to go to Disney Plus, and I don't know why. They make more money when you buy things like this. Now, I also have to mention the price because this is probably going to lead to lower sales than usual, but this thing retails for $70. Now, I did not pay that much money, and honestly, unless it's out of print by the time you watch this, there's no reason you should pay that kind of money either. But it does kind of go to show, like, you know, back when VHS first came out, they priced the VHS tapes at like $80 to $100 to encourage people to see movies in theaters or to rent them from the video stores. And we're kind of seeing something similar now where it's like, okay, they're charging an arm and a leg for this, at least unless you know where to look, of course, and they're kind of encouraging you to go to Disney Plus or the theaters. And so it's like, we're kind of back to where we were when VHS first came around. And of course, it's going to result in lower sales, which means you might not make as many. So I believe this will be a limited edition product. And I mean, I opened it, but I believe that if you have this and you don't open it and you wait 5 years, you're probably going to have something that's fairly valuable. But I would like to know, do any of you have this set? What do you think of it? What do you think of the artwork? I think this is ugly. The back is better. But I'd love to know, so comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and I will see you at the movies. Take care.